Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through a trade that we are currently in, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch this video until the end, because at some point in the video I'm going to put a code on the screen which will give you 1 month free access to the Visionary membership, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord, okay, and that gives you access to all of my personal trades, okay, like the trade that we are currently in as of right now. So make sure you look out for that code, okay. But like I said, we're currently in a short position, okay, from $27,280. As you can see, that trade is around 339% in a profit. So this was a very, very profitable trade, okay, that we entered all the way back up here, okay, literally shorting the top of this move, okay. And yeah, what is our plan from here? Okay, so we've shorted this, okay, now we are looking for new price levels to actually short, and this is what we're going to talk about in today's video. We're going to talk about those next price levels that we are actually interested in trading, okay, so make sure you pay attention. So if we zoom out a little bit, as we can observe, okay, we have this range, okay, we have this very large range, okay, that we are currently trading within, and we've been trading within this range for a very, very long time now, okay. Range high is actually up here, okay, at 28,136, and then range low is down here at 24,855, okay. So these levels are levels that I am interested in trading, okay, but of course it's going to take some time for the price to get to these levels. But from these levels, okay, if we see either the bullish, okay, or the bearish confirmation and confluence, okay, at either one of these levels, then we're going to enter into a very large, okay, swing trade, okay. So these are our big levels that we're looking for, those, you know, big swing trades, okay. So we actually did short this level up here, okay, at Bit Trading. We shorted this, made some amazing profits down here, okay. So we're looking for those big swing trades, okay, but we have to wait for the price to actually tap one of these levels before we could look at entering into a trade, okay, because remember, we need to check for the reaction, okay, the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence at either one of these levels, okay. So it's going to take some time to get to either one of those levels, okay. So of course we have some internal levels that we could trade, okay. So the first internal level is 27,616. So this is an internal level that I'm possibly looking at shorting, okay, and it's coming fair, you know, in confluence with 27,480, okay, this level here. You know, these two levels are levels that I'm interested in shorting, okay, other than the range high up here, okay. And yeah, these levels are fairly close to each other, so we could see both of these levels actually being tapped at the same time, okay. So both of these levels, like I said, are levels I'm interested in shorting. So if we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence at either one of these levels, okay, then what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a short position, okay, but only if I see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence with the bearish reaction, okay. Of course, I have to wait for all of those things before I can actually enter into that trade, okay. That's exactly what we did with this trade here. We waited, okay, for all of the bearish confirmation, the bearish confluence, and that bearish reaction at this level here before we entered into the short, okay. And as you can see, it was a very, very profitable short position, okay. So those three levels are the levels that I'm interested in trading towards the upside, okay. So we have, okay, these two internal levels right here, and then we have the range high. Those are the levels that I'm looking at shorting, okay. But okay, there is one more level that I'm actually interested in shorting, okay, and that's if we zoom in even further into the chart, okay. This, okay, is actually a local range right here, okay. So we formed a local range right here, okay. We have range high up here, we have range low down here, okay. So these are two levels that I'm also interested in trading, okay. So 26,849, okay, here is a level that I'm actually interested in shorting. So if we see, like I said, the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence with a bearish reaction, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for a short from this level, okay. But you know, it's not going to be a big swing trade, okay, like it would be from the range high or these internal highs here, okay, because this is only a local range, okay, we would be looking for, you know, a nice scalp short trade here, okay. So it's not going to be a big trade, but initially it is going to be a nice short position if and only if we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence at this level right here, okay? But of course, you know, we have levels towards the downside that we are looking at possibly longing, okay? And that first level is down here, okay? Coming in confluence with that PLC, okay? We have range low, the local range low at 25,972, okay? So if the price comes down here, we see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence. The bullish confirmation and bullish confluence. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to look for that long position, okay? But we have to see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, and the bullish reaction before we even think about entering into a long position there, okay? But, okay, of course, you know, we may not, you know, see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, bullish reaction at this level here. Like we may not see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, bearish reaction at this level here. Okay, so if we don't see any of the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, or bullish confirmation or bullish confluence, okay, then, you know, we're looking for higher prices, okay, if we don't see the bearish confirmation, or, okay, we're looking for lower prices if we don't see the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence, okay? So we have to see that bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence, or the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence at either one of these levels before we actually enter into that trade, okay? So locally, these are the two levels that I'm looking at trading, okay? But, okay, we do have more levels towards the downside that I am interested in possibly longing, okay? Of course, range low, okay? Remember, we zoom out a little bit, 2 hour time frame, okay? We have the range low at 24,855, okay? That level I'm interested in longing, okay? Remember, we have to see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, okay, and the bullish reaction before we even think about entering into the trade. Because if we don't see that, okay, then what are we doing? Well, we're actually looking for lower prices, okay? We're looking for this level to be broken, okay, and we're looking for lower prices, possibly, you know, even $24,000, okay, down here. Okay, so we have to be very, very cautious when we're entering the trade, and we have to wait for all of the, you know, bearish or bullish confirmation, okay, and confluence coming in, okay, to actually give us that signal to fire in that short position, okay? But, you know, what really, really helps us, especially in this market situation, is this fixed range tool, okay? It really, really gives us a good understanding of what we can be doing, okay? Because remember, above value area high, we're looking for shorts. Now, above value area high doesn't indicate, okay, to enter into a short. It gives us an indication to look for a short, okay? So here, you know, we were above value area high, but we didn't short this, did we? Okay, we didn't short this. Why? Okay, we only got a slight pullback and then the price went higher, okay? So what did we do? We waited for this, okay? We shorted this. Why is that? Because we saw the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, and the bearish reaction at this level, okay? So, you know, we shorted this here as well, okay? But we didn't short it as soon as it hit value area high. We waited for the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence before we entered into that trade. Why is that? Okay, well, because above value area high doesn't give you that indication to enter a short position. It gives you the indication to look for a short position, okay, and vice versa, okay. Below value area low, you know, we're not entering into a long position, okay, at value area low or below value area low. We're looking for a long position, okay? If we don't see, you know, the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, okay, to enter into that long position, then we're not going to enter into the long position because we're looking for lower prices, okay? So below value area low, you know, we're looking for that long entry. If we find the long entry, then we fire in that long position, okay? So we're waiting for that bullish confirmation, bullish confluence before we enter into the trade, okay? So I've given you all the levels that I'm interested in trading here, which can help you profit, okay, off of these price movements. Okay, remember, you have to look for the bullish or bearish confirmation at either one of these levels. And of course, you know, I help my team out on the Visionary Discord by giving them my insights into the markets. And as you can see, you know, we've been making some, you know, really, really nice profits over the past few weeks, okay? So much profit over the past few weeks. Beautiful, beautiful trades because we've been looking for the bearish or bullish confirmation and confluence before entering into that trade, okay? So make sure, like I said, that you take that code that I've put somewhere in this video, okay? And yeah, gain access to that Visionary Discord by the Visionary membership by clicking Join Bit Trading here. Put that code in and you get 1 month free. And of course, you can cancel it anytime. So yeah, don't worry about that. But thank you very much for watching this video, guys. And I will see you in the next update. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.